making 51 fast break points in that last game.
Baguio cross. Manligues back out to Cyrus. Baguio.
Given that space,
But here comes the Aquaman. Ubalde with the left hand.
but look at the numbers.
Ubalde. Head on the swivel. Gives it up to fellow veteran. 2-point guard setup. What a feed by De Los Santos. Queda. Series of moves against De Los Santos. Hooks a pass to
Well, a good find as well. Jason Ballesteros.
Ballesteros could not finish
The energy being brought out by the first.
that in his hands, but Valenzuela takes it away again.
6 straight points, man.
Chino
Those are turnovers you don't.
goes in. Ballesteros could not get the
Harder for everybody.
open. That's short. Malyari. Ubalde gets his own miss. Forces it from the 3-point area. Misses everything. Who gets to the loose ball? Queda. Down low to Lawrence Malyari. 3 blocked by Ballesteros. But look who's there. Mark.
Aquaman Paulo Ubalde, Cyrus Baguio Connection. Vintage Cyrus Baguio, walang kupas. Pisikalan malala sa laban ng Valenzuela kontra Quezon City. Big shot after big shot sa dulo.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays.
Kawilan hands it off to Mosqueda. Chino still has it. That familiar looking teardrop goes down.
That ring.
3-point lead for the Toda Action. That's Michael Arel lines up a 3 and makes it quarter. Cyrus Baguio looking inside to Daryl Manligues. Manligues back out to Cyrus. Baguio knocks down that 3-pointer.
Cyrus Baguio, this guy, given that space, still has game like this where he knows na importante na ang bawat game. He is gonna step up big time. Stretch it out, and Reeve Ogsang might be the best guy to challenge out Jason Ballesteros.
Ballesteros could not finish. That's gonna be a foul.
Galing dito Quezon City, especially after making 51 fast break points in that last game.
Baguio crossover into the lane. Tried to give it up to Ogsang. It wasn't ready for the pass. Still some time on the shot clock here for Val City. And Ogsang won't go. Ballesteros keeps it alive. Mosqueda out to Michael Are this time. Are hit a 3 earlier. That bounces in.
That's a 3-pointer, 6 points para kay Mike Are.
Missed his only 3-point attempt in the last game. Talk about Mike Are. Sawat gets the pass from Mosqueda and gets Tuano to set the screen, pero di naman ginamit yun ni Dennis. Paulo Ubalde in the game for the first time for Congressman Eric Martinez. Quezon City is off and running again. Are able to finish.
That game plan set out by the QC team. And everybody on the bench now warming up. The second unit still ready to run.
Para sa Valenzuela. Montuano, jab step, puts up the shot, gets it to go.
See if this 5 can retain the energy being brought out by the first.
That's an illegal screen set by Tibayan. Ubalde working the defense of Jesalem. Does it use the De Los Santos pick? Ubalde could not hit Armin. Jesalem triggers from the baseline. Yambing launches quickly.
And itong Quezon City, Renwil Yambing has been trying the whole second quarter, but that's going to be his first bucket right here.
Ubalde gets his own miss, forces it up. He was fouled there.
Look at the numbers. Almost a triple-double. Kakayanin natin lahat, but of course, it's all going to be...
Estrella attempting that Pinoy step, but here comes the Aquaman. Ubalde with the left hand, able to get it in.
Paulo Ubalde rito.
Thank you so much, Mika. Pati tattoo no? And there, Paulo Ubalde showing everybody that Ubalde uses the Lepalam screen. Valenzuela gives it away. Yambing with a mini slam on the break. Paulo Ubalde. Valenzuela utilizing this 2-point guard setup. What a feed by De Los Santos to Laris Lepalam, who throws it down.
What?
Yambing to answer from the 3-point area, misses everything. Who gets to the loose ball? Paulo Ubalde. Mosqueda down low to Lawrence Malyari. He stripped. Unfortunately, that's going to be a person.
Really knows how to move without that basketball. A good find as well coming from Abdul Sawat.
Didn't force the issue. Mosqueda left wide open. That's short. Malyari momentarily had that in his hands, but Valenzuela takes it away.
Orange Mariari seems a little hit here.
He's holding on to his left ankle. Might have landed on the foot of a Valenzuela player or maybe even a teammate. We're gonna have to take a look on that left foot. Not quite sure where he landed. That number 8 seed in the north. Mosqueda, series of moves against De Los Santos. Hooks a pass to JP Cawilan who knocks it down.
Chino Mosqueda.
Armenion able to sneak inside for 2 points.
How hard is that?
Mosqueda given space, he gives it up to his former teammate, winning the favor again.
6 straight points para dito kay JP Cawilan, but that's gonna be a pull against Andre Armenion. A turnover.
Chino Mosqueda trying to jockey for position against Daryl Manligues. Medyo Montuano near the free throw line. That's money.
Cut into the lead. Those are turnovers you don't want. Off the dribble, one-on-one.
Manligues and Lepalam starting the second half for Valenzuela. Montuano. Shot clock winding down here for the classic. Santos. Bullseye. Are sends it to Cawilan. Michael Are. Back to JP. Cawilan. Bullseye. Mosqueda, Cawilan, and Are. The 5 to begin the second half for Quezon City. To Ubalde. They go to the left side. Santos almost the same spot. Yet the same result for Dennis Santos.
Dennis Santos in this.
Ubalde trying to use his experience against Cani on the block. Ubalde able to draw the foul.
No need to rush para dito sa QC.
Sawat goes in. Ballesteros could not get another offense.
Let's watch that again. Jason Ballesteros trying to go for that offensive rebound. He got accidentally pushed here in the second half. They were able to outrun Valenzuela.
Ubalde almost lost it. He recovers. Leaves it for Montuano. That's money para kay Mark for Valenzuela in that first half. Cani crosses up De Los Santos. Bullets a pass to Abdul Sawat. Cyrus Baguio will come back in for Ubalde. Head on the swivel. Gives it up to fellow veteran in Cyrus Baguio who gets it high off the glass.
Vintage Cyrus Baguio.
Rina.
Let's watch this first. Paulo Ubalde, strong attack, getting everybody to force the middle. That will give an open driving lane para and show out in the end game. But looks like that's gonna be one of their problems here in this season. And if you don't have veterans like that, Cyrus Baguio making that last
Shots by Cyrus Baguio, bailing his teams out. But it's still lovely to see as they that 8th spot in the Northern Division. And they have QC in their way. JP Cawilan catching fire here in the last quarter.
2 straight threes.
Now to Lakap. He has been a non-factor in this game. Lakap with a hand in his face. He knocks it down. He's had 2 3-pointers here in the fourth quarter. Sawat goes inside and scores the 2 points. Quezon City now will try to counter with a run of their own. No numbers for them. Cawilan doesn't mind. Cawilan knocks it down.
The bullpup connection will end in success. Mosqueda.
Tumatakbo naman ang Valenzuela. Dennis Santos trails with the 3 and knocks it down. Valenzuela back in the lead by 2.
The main reasons why they were able to get a big lead in the first half.
Step back 3 for Dennis Santos. That is down and through from the outside.
And how hard is that? That was well.
There against Cawilan. Decided to kick it out. It's with Santos now. Dennis inside the arc. Another basket para kay Dennis Santos. Sniper Valenzuela City. Are slips a bit. Able to get back the rock. Cawilan. Left wing 3. Yes, sir!
Making this an exciting fourth quarter for everybody.
That's an offensive foul against Ladis Lepalam. 5-62. It's now a career high para dito kay JP Cawilan. New Bulldog, 65-64. Manligues had his shot blocked by Ballesteros, but look who's there. Mark Montuano working hard underneath, flexing his muscles and getting the 2 points. Cawilan. JP will not force it. Mosqueda looking Ubalde in the eye and knocking it down. Three-pointer para kay Chino.
Coming from Chino.
Kapit lang mga kaliga. We're tied up at 67. Chino Mosqueda breaking away from the defense. Looking, goes inside. Almost stripped by Sawat. Dangerous pass. Received by Manliguez. Could not connect from the outside.
Possession stays in Valenzuela.
Ubalde attacks to the middle. Ubalde with the right hand. Short. Ballesteros with the rebound. Kawilan knocks.
Possession ball game.
Kawilan Manliguez gets it to Lakap. Lakap still has it. Bienes well challenged that shot. That's an air ball. Here against the Quezon City Toda Action. That's gonna do it. That makes it official. The Quezon City Toda Action.
You don't like that. You don't like NBA basketball.